op hierdie amazing Vrydag. Kan jy nou glo dis al Vrydag en dis weer lekker lang naweek. But I have a question for you. When last did you do something for the first time? Ek gaan dit weer sê. When last did you do something for the first time? Maybe something to think about. Maybe get out of your comfort zone and try something new. Ja, die van julle wat my videoetjie gesien, ek het gaan kamp. Ja, ek het al my lewe in 'n karavaan en geglamp en sulke goed, maar my pragtige vriendin Sarita en haar familie het my genooi om saam met hulle te kom kamp en dit was 'n amazing experience en ek was in my eie tentjie. So ek sê that was the first time I've done it in my own, by myself, in my own little tent. And I survived. It was fun. So I did it. So when last did you do something for the first time? Ag, wees net bietjie oorspronklik, hulle doen net ietsie nuuts. You know what, sometimes we get in this rat race and we don't stop to enjoy life. So stop and enjoy life. Maybe this long weekend. And then I just want to leave you with these words. Kindness begins with the understanding that we all are struggling. Ons weet nie altyd wat die persoon langs jou deurgaan nie, or what their struggles are. So just be kind today. But have an awesome weekend.